Hi! In front of me is Motorola One 5G Ace, and today I would like to show you how you can rename this device. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down. Now tap on About Phone section at the bottom and click on device name at the top. Now you can type in wherever you wish to. I will go with Sunny. When you're ready, select OK in device name pop-up and OK in this one about visibility. As you can see, after that, name of my Motorola has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!